Do you dread the thought of having harmful bacteria, viruses, and mold on your CPAP mask? Would you like to have a heavy-duty sterilizing machine for powerful disinfection? The Sani Bot D3 is the perfect solution, equipped with state-of-the-art features that promise to make your mask and tube cleaning a breeze. This efficient cleaner provides the safest and most reliable method of effortless CPAP disinfection every time. Unlike similar cleaners that utilize ozone, which many professionals say is ineffective, the Sani Bot utilizes a tried and true method with amazing results. The Sani Bot uses hot water, potent cleansing tablets, and powerful transducers that remove all unwanted debris for easy and effective disinfection. It has an easy control panel and simple display, a 1 to 30 minute full range timer, a stainless steel reservoir, premium quality transducers. Now let's see how the Sani Bot works. It's so simple to use. First, remove the lid, then place the mask in the basket and add hot tap water until the mask is fully covered between the min and max line. The Sani Bot D3 also does a great job with CPAP tubing and has a little bit of a larger tank to accommodate the larger items. This here is heated tubing, which is also no problem for the Sani Bot. Simply roll your tubing up and repeat the process. For maximum cleaning effect, the entire hose needs to be submerged with no air bubbles inside the hose. Add a cleansing tablet to the water, connect the power cord and turn the switch on. Select the time you want to clean, turn the heater on to keep the water hot, and you're ready to go. When it's done, remove the lid and lift the basket out of the water using the handles. Careful, the water will be hot. Another great feature with the Sani Bot D3 is it has a drain for the water. So go ahead and drain the water, then rinse your mask, tank, and basket with lukewarm water. Place the mask in the basket for drying. And there you have it. Cleaning your CPAP equipment with the Sani Bot is a breeze. I hope you enjoyed this video. We know you'll sleep better and breathe easier with the Sani Bot. Say goodbye to difficult and ineffective cleaning and let the Sani Bot do all the work. Thanks for watching.